Kehidupan bermula dari sebuah rencana sederhana, namun penuh makna. Sebuah proses panjang, dari niatan hingga tujuan, seperti perjalanan sunyi sebuah balokan, tegak dan lurus, menembus arah menuju visi. Di sanalah niatan diuji, tulus, dan diselimuti doa yang ikhlas. Yang terpisah mulai dirangkai kembali, ditenun dengan kesabaran, dan dianyam oleh harapan.
What makes this special is that you're not looking at a display. You're actually standing inside Firocroft, our first prefab luxury bungalow. Everything here, the walls, the structure, the finishes, this is the real product. And the name Firocroft, Firo is our brand, comes from the word environment, which is at the heart of everything we do. And croft comes from the old English word for a small, self-contained dwelling. Together, it captures exactly what this is: a complete, self-sufficient space built sustainably and to the highest standard. So for us, Arch ID is the moment where we brought Firocroft to life, and this is the space where it all began.
Okay, so this idea all began in 2022. If I'm not wrong, I think it was during Arch ID. We were having a coffee actually, Pa Johan and I, and we saw a nice idea, nice modular, and we thought, why nowadays all the building is so complicated, takes too long, it creates a lot of challenges, so why not together combine Firo products and Hafele to create something that is easier, faster, and eventually you could scale up, make it more economical and more simple to build and to promote to the market, to Indonesian market. So it all began like a conversation, just a pure open discussion. We are a more than 100 years family-owned company, German brand. And a couple of years ago, in our 100th anniversary, we found out, or we created our new purpose for this following 100 years, and is maximizing the value of space together.
Nah, di kontekstual ini kita ketemu dengan Firo yang ternyata memiliki satu visi yang sama. Mungkin yang lebih cocok kita ngomong sebagai sebuah bentukan prefab ini. Kita bisa bagikan jadi di 3 kata ya, ada tenun, ada renyah, dan ada nyaman. Di sini kontekstual kan kalau mungkin paling gampang, tenun itu kan lebih cenderung untuk sesuatu yang halus.
Ya, lebih fabric.
Lebih fabric ya. Kemudian kalau anyam lebih cenderung untuk sesuatu yang agak kasar. Dari ini kita coba gabungkan, kita coba collapse-kan untuk menjadi sesuatu yang nyaman. Membentuk sesuatu kontekstual living itu yang dicari apa sih? Nyamannya gitu. Karena kata nyaman sendiri kalau mau dibilang ada kata aman di sana. Ketika orang merasa nyaman, aman, ya mungkin di sana lah living bisa kita angkat sebagai sesuatu yang ya as a living space gitu.
It came down to shared values around quality. For this first Firocroft project, Pak JJ brought the design vision, and Pak Lorenzo brought Hafele's precision hardware. And together we create something that we are really proud of. But what's important to understand is that FiroFab, our prefabricated modular building platform, is an open platform. We are designed to work with architects and designers across the board. Pak JJ is a founding partner in developing the system, but FiroFab belong to the wider design and architecture community. That's always been the intention. I want them to feel that luxury and sustainability don't have to compromise each other. And I want resort developers and architects to walk in and think, yes, this can be built on time, on budget, at this level of quality. That's the confidence we want to give people.
About the products that we display in the booth, lighting will be the main part of this booth, the thing that will create this ambience. This room lighting in the kitchen area is very interesting because it's a track light. We call it one cable, so it's also fully secure. There is no any risk of short-circuit or any malfunction of the cables because it's a 24 volt system. We need our Utensio range that we just launched last year, also 2025 worldwide. Our category, our range for smart kitchen accessories, where all the space in the kitchen will be used. So we also have a new product, very special, our Celesta Invisible Hub. But now with the Celesta, we developed this product to install below the top counter. We worked also with Quadra, we engineer this product. The second part of the booth is a bedroom. In the bedroom also you need proper ambience. We also have our downlights, combining also the same concept of furniture and room lighting. It's not a new, but it's a very interesting product. It's a TV lift with the same concept as the hub. Nowadays everything wants to be seamless, invisible, so it's very visually attractive. Also this connectivity between the areas is very important for us. We also have a pocket door. Again, everything nowadays goes on that direction. Everything has to be pocketed, has to be storage, has to be hidden.
Gimana pun ini sebuah orkestrasi kan sebetulnya. Gimana konduktor itu bisa mengkondak komponen-komponen ini menjadi sesuatu yang satu fungsional, satu enak dilihat. Kuncinya kan cuma dari dua itu. Nah, kalau sendirian doang tanpa yang ini juga nggak maksimal. Jadi betul-betul better together gitu ya. Jadi kayak puzzle yang saling mengisi satu sama lain menurutku.
Which is mungkin di tengah nyaman ini kita coba, maksudnya material Firo sendiri dikenal ya, maksudnya bahwa dia punya durabilitas tinggi, artinya punya life cycle yang panjang. Tapi kemudian juga dia punya kemampuan untuk bisa di-recycle. Produk Havell itu kan emang dikenal terlepas masalah durability-nya, bahwa utilitasnya itu sangat banyak tapi simple. Jadi dengan bagaimana kita memanfaatkan produk Havell ini, kita bisa bikin sebuah compact living, maximizing the value-nya akhirnya dari sebuah fungsi yang mau coba di-embedded ke dalam sebuah living space. Dia membantu banget.
That this is just the beginning. What you see here is the first FiroCroft prototype, but the vision is much bigger. We are building for luxury hospitality clients who demand the best, and having partners like Pak Lorenzo and Pak JJ means we can deliver on that promise. And as FiroFab grows as a platform, we look forward to welcoming collaboration with more architects and designers into that journey, because ultimately FiroFab is for the entire design community.
So yeah, this was a great idea. I think we really enjoy the process of design, of production and installation. But this is not the end. I think this is one of the most important things that we were talking when we decided to join ArchID. We didn't want to do some boot that you just finish and you just throw it away. We were thinking on sustainability, on a circular way of production. So the story just began now. is the Arch ID the first step. So in relation with this circular design and circular building, so what you can find in Arch ID as the first phase is the new Nyaman. This is just something that is alive, we can say, and will be developing with the time. So we already have some plan what will be the next step, the next stages of this project that will grow, will develop, and yeah, please just follow it, follow our brands because something is coming next.
Berarti ini tuh suatu movement sebetulnya ya.
Part of movement.
Untuk berpikir lebih bertanggung jawab terhadap lingkungan, pemakaian bahan sehemat mungkin, kalau bisa reuse segala macam itu jauh lebih diharapkan. Dengan berkembangnya harga tanah makin hari makin mahal, kemampuan ekonomi juga nggak bisa ngejar, mungkin kita harus berpikir lebih cerdas tentang solusinya gimana. Prefab itu mungkin salah satu, karena komponen besar dalam membangun itu adalah labor cost. Labor cost kalau bisa ditekan, digantikan dengan si mesin yang kerja di pabrik, kok rasanya lebih menjadi solusi. Ekonomi dapat, konsistensinya dapat. Kalau style ya memang tergantung desainnya. Itu sebuah harapan yang ke depan mungkin anak muda mau perlu ini gitu. Kalau ngomong bahwa masa depan itu kan nggak terpaku sama satu tempat. Konsepnya itu bisa pindah-pindah. Mungkin one day kita bisa bawa ke Bali biar seru.
If you want to see what we are working on next,
Please join us in GIA
Gia in Bali.
mid-August 26.